How to get the path environment variable separator in Python. When multiple directories need to be concatenated, as in an executable search path, there is an OS-dependent separator character. For Windows it's semicolon, for Linux it's column. Is there a way in Python to get which character to split on? In the discussions to this question, how do I find out my Python path using Python? It is suggested that os.sep will do it. That answer is wrong, since it is the separator for components of a directory or file name and equates to / or /.
os.pathsep.
It is os.pathsep.
Okay, so there are os.pathsep, that is, and which is a separator and the path environment variable, os.path.sep, that is, in Unix/Linux and, in Windows, which is a separator between path components. The similarity is a source of confusion.
Making it a little more explicit, for Python newbies like me.